guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. So today I'm doing a project share. You saw me make these bags on my channel. They are gifts for people. So I went ahead and I got their name on them with an iron-on. And then after I made them, I found out what their favorite colors were. Hers is green, so I made a little dangle with green and then a cat clip. And then her favorite color is pink, so this works. It's got pink in it. I got a pink cat clip and then I made a pink wire wrap dangle. And then they could use that on a keychain or whatever. And then inside, I am giving them a wax seal for Luna and Senna's channel. A crochet flower. Ice cream cone crayon. So each one is a color. And then I made them bracelets. Her favorite color is green, so that's her bracelet. Super cute. I really hope she likes it. And I just put the lip on backwards. Okay. And then as for this one, same thing, crochet flower, wax seal for Luna and Senna's channel, ice cream crayon, and a bracelet. And her favorite color is pink, so I made her a pink one. Super cute. And then I'm gonna get all these wrapped up and ready to go. By the time you see this video, they have already received them, and I really hope they like them. Alright, thank you all for watching this short little video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next one. Thanks guys, bye.